Hey, what's up guys? In this series of videos we're gonna learn about CSS. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So the CSS is a language and it is used to style the web page, and the CSS describes how the HTML elements are to be displayed on a screen, and also it can control the layout of multiple web pages. And also we can use the external style sheet. So we can create one external style sheet like style.css, and inside the style sheet we can have all of our CSS code, and this way we can globally control the style of all the web pages. So the CSS is used to define style for the web page, including the design and the layout. And also we can use the media queries by which our web page is going to have different design and layout depending upon the device and their screen size. So HTML is all about the structure of the web page. So we use different elements and we can design the structure of the web page, where the CSS, so we use CSS to style our web page. So we use different style properties like the background color, font style, and all of those CSS properties, and we can make our website look beautiful on different devices. And where the JavaScript is all about functionality. So we write JavaScript to add functionality to our web page. So we can use HTML, CSS and JavaScript to make our website look structured, beautiful and interactive. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.